This job aid was produced by the National Weather Service Training Center to assist qualified NWS, DoD, and FAA electronic technicians in performing routine maintenance. This presentation will reference maintenance procedures in Engineering Handbook 6-513 Revision 2, dated 25 June 2020. The technician will refer to the most recent Engineering Handbook for current procedures, cautions, and warnings. Prior to calibration, all online checks must be performed to verify the transmitter and receiver are working properly and that the IFDR is configured correctly. Values captured in this video are from a non-operational site and will not be the same as at a field site. Do not use them to judge measurements at your site. If you want numbers to compare your measurements to, use previous measurements from your site. Paragraph 6.6.3.3.9 RF Pallet Broadband Loss. In this calibration, AME test signal power is measured at the horizontal TR limiter output and compared with the recently measured R34 AME horizontal test signal power and R293 RF Pallet horizontal coupler test signal loss to calculate the path loss between horizontal 30 dB coupler 2A5DC3 and the horizontal TR limiter 2A5A1J1. Only the horizontal channel is measured in this procedure. RF Pallet broadband loss R288 should not vary much, if at all, from the previous value recorded in adaptcur.dat and Table 614. To aid in mathematical calculations and recording of measurements performed in this procedure, consider opening the System Test Software offline calibration chart. If using the calibration chart, it is good practice to record the measurements on paper as insurance against data loss. FaultNet 69 steps 1 through 21 should be completed. The antenna should be stowed at 23 degrees and a ladder or scaffold position to access 2A5DC3 and horizontal TR limiter 2A5A1. This procedure requires a power meter, 20-foot power sensor cable, low power sensor, 10 dB attenuator, 90-degree Type N adapter, Type N female to QN male adapter, a 3/16 Allen wrench, and tie wraps or Velcro cable ties to secure the LNA when disconnected from the TR limiter. Disconnect the horizontal LNA. The sequence of the following procedures reduces the risk of damaging the LNA. Disconnect cable 2W556 from LNA 2A5A4J3. Disconnect cable 2W577 from LNA 2A5A4J2. Remove the 3/16 Allen bolts and clamp from the LNA bracket. Disconnect LNA 2A5A4J1 from TR limiter 2A5A1J2. Reconnect cables 2W556 and 2W577 to the LNA. Connect the test equipment to horizontal TR limiter UD2A5A1J2. In the System Test Software window, click Control, AME Receiver Control. Configure the following options: Test source to AME test signal, Step attenuator attenuation to 0, Byte cal control to ZDR test, HV bias control to H to both. Click Inject Signal. Allow the power meter to stabilize within 0.02 dB. The measured power should be between -33 and -28 dB. Click Inject Signal again, wait about 45 seconds, and record the measurement. Do this 2 more times. Each measurement should be within 0.02 dB of the previous measurement. If not, continue to run the test 3 more times and record the results. If it does not pass the second iteration, recheck test equipment connections and run the tests again. If the expected test result still does not pass, replace the Type N male to QN female adapter on the TR limiter. If that does not correct the error, run STS calibration TR limiter check. If the horizontal TR limiter check fails, replace the horizontal TR limiter and rerun this calibration. If the TR limiter check is OK, contact the hotline for assistance. If you use the offline calibration chart, enter your data if you have not already done so, then save your data. Update adaptation data in adaptcur.dat. If you are performing additional calibrations, do not restart the RDASC at this time. Click None for the test source, and click Inject Signal. Click Close. Disconnect the test equipment from the horizontal TR limiter 2A5A1J2. If you are not performing the noise calibration next, reconnect the LNA. The sequence of the following procedures reduces the risk of damaging the LNA. Disconnect cables 2W556 and 2W577 from the LNA. Connect LNA 2A5A4J1 to TR limiter 2A5A1J2. Ensure the quick disconnect adapters make a good connection. Reinstall the LNA clamp while removing any strain from the weight of the LNA on the QN connection. Reconnect cables 2W556 and 2W577 to the LNA. If no further calibrations are being performed, shut down the RDA laptop and restore the radome to operating conditions in accordance with fault note 69 steps 22 to 35.